most of you that are asking a whole lot of questions around Shaxi, this is what I have to say. That with wisdom and knowledge and understanding, God the Father, God the Son, God the Holy Spirit, I've been able, with my team, built this beautiful app for all of us. Don't let us throw it away. Join Shaxi now. Subscribe now. If you've not downloaded the app, start downloading it now. If you're a driver, download it. Put your rightful particulars in there. If you don't have a car, wait. Because we went to the YEA boss and you heard him. He said they are going to make sure they supply us with 150 cars. If you're on the app right now and you're benefiting, work hard and make more money. Because when we switch to 50 Ghana, all the drivers that have been loyal to the app are still going to enjoy the 20 Ghana cities. When we switch to 50 Ghana, don't come and say I didn't tell you. And 50 Ghana, for you to work for 12 hours, is also beautiful. The 100 cedis you people have been paying, 200 cedis and 300 cedis. Because when you work more, you pay more. All that money, I want you to keep it. I learned how to save, and I want to teach everybody through driving how to save. So you can make more money and save more money. I'll just beg of you that try and sit down, study the Shaxi app. Anything you don't understand, our numbers are all over social media. Call the office, talk to them. We are trying to create customer service areas in Dansoman. I have one office at Achimota, that is also one of the Shaxi offices. It's not only a customer service area, but you can also go there and go and inquire. We'll put the maps out and everything for everybody. My main office that I have at East Legon is also here. I actually use my own house for the office. And I'm so proud of it that at least, someone might say, oh, rent, yes, I feel that, bro. I said, if you have read the book about the richest man in Babylon, it tells you, don't venture into businesses that you don't understand. Me, there's one thing I always tell Medical, that I don't have the talent to build a house, but I have talent to buy houses. So you build, I'll come and buy. It's the same way. If I say I want to build, I will be spoiling your job. And it's the same way like Shaxi. I can't say, okay, I be my drivers, they want to drive Uber. No. If I have the talent to create that app, that is what I've done. Because I want my drivers to benefit. I want them to benefit. So me, I'm building houses. I ask people where I'm building my stuff. I have houses at some places. I put it on hold and I'll buy a house or buy apartment or buy. That is me. That is my talent. Because I know how to take $500,000 or $700,000 and buy a house. Because that is what I feel makes me comfortable. One time I saw my phone and do like I won't come out in Osophagus. Because I don't go out. Let me just put it inside and crack some jokes. But I don't go out. So this for if you come, they can't give me list, then I pay. If you come, they can't give me list. This thing. So if the driver come, they can't give me list, then I pay. He come, they can't give me list. One time my friend became a studio. At the play beach now where you see some paper for the tabletop. Where you see cement, iron rod, something. Why? What paper be this? So with my former way, he can't give me away, some list where I for pay. And he say, cement way make him 350. No, I say, but cement be. Say no, cement be 50 Ghana cedi a bag. I say, hey, It means that they cheat me from foundation. But man, it means that the man they can't give her money. I just say he get plenty cement past me. But my vest, I won't do this thing, the former something. Hey, that is when I got to do that cement. They don't really sell them. Cause I know they go out, but I know they fit me. But I don't know if he stand anywhere. I don't know if he go market service. I won't go buy something. It go be crowded. So the former they buy it. But the former the way he used me, wow. The former he used me, he collects me from foundation to lentil. The former really, he made money. Wow. I didn't know, my friend. I didn't know. So since then, I told myself that if I have money, I'll buy a house because I don't have talent. But you see, like Montez, medical knows how to build. Recently, me and him did some few houses we buy. It was like 3 years ago or something. In medical way they go site, they go check the form. Then you say, hey, oh talent, hey Montez, Shatta Montez, hey, what do we see you? Hey, what talent? Come on, rapper, building machine. Medical, he has that talent, that's my real estate boss. You understand me? So anytime I see maybe sometimes if we drive, then we see uncompleted or something. We just go look for it, pay money, then we renovate them, then we sell them. We've been doing that, and he's so good at it. So that even I say, we are doing a project that, when we finish, you guys are going to see. Like, he knows how to, and I love that about him. So that is one philosophy about the richest man in Babylon. One of the greatest quotes I like about the richest man in Babylon book, when I read it, like it says, do the job where you understand. If you don't understand the job, don't try. I know say somebody did it right now in a formal fight. Them what they go doing sound right now. Because knife and things come inside. You understand me? I can't fight with my former. So what am I saying? I'm just trying to let you guys know that I believe I can do this. Any support from anywhere, my hands open. If you be young, if you say you get money you go fit buy shares for Shaxi. I did it. If you know some investor where he always wants to venture into a transport business in Africa, I did here. If you get somebody when you had the talk where you know say no, this thing we all go fit build up. And I get somebody, where you want to talk about business, where you want to do this type of business. I did there, brother. My sister, when you bring them, you go benefit, I go benefit. This is business. Because I try, I buy cars, I pay bills, I buy cars, I pay bills. You can also come on board. It's not only about the drivers, but how can we build ourselves together? In future, when we say we have some Shaxi conference where we go, you self when they come, say you be VVIP because say you supported this to grow. You help this agenda. You were part of this movement. It's a beautiful day, my brothers, my sisters. Tell a driver that this is their time to make money. This is their time. Drivers also for hold their family, their wives and pickings, and say that they go chop holiday for Dubai. They go and make they come back and make my father can work. This is the time. Driver go UK embassy and apply for visa, and they go see if they work and they be transport person and if they make good money for himself. This is the time where drivers also for VVIPs. When you see Shaxi driver, all my drivers are polite. That one I won't lie to you. Because the security around Shaxi, I tell everybody, all of them, they have those messages. Anytime you see anybody's thing in your car, whether phone, laptop, the person forgetting, drive back to the person and give to the person. You might not know who would change your life. Don't make somebody leave in thing for your car inside. Then right now the person they can't report. When we will catch you, you go inside. That is one security thing. My drivers all they know. When you day inside with car inside to the rider, talk to him like he be king or he be queen. Oh yes, madam. Yes, please, madam. Oh please. Oh yes, please. Talk to them nicely. And my drivers are doing that. Because I respect like that. So I expect all my drivers to respect. Sometimes you tell me, Shatta, you get fans playing to you. Yes, I respect my fans. I don't talk to my fans anyhow. Even me, I decide when me and my fans if we get beef, then we they laugh. Then me and my fans. Because we've grown to become a family. Shatta Wale and his fans are not celebrity and fans. It's a brother and a family conjoined. And I'm speaking Spanish and German and Yoruba at the same time. You understand? So when you see me, when some of my drivers tell me, Shatta, you get fast, yes. That is why you also have to respect the riders. If you pick a Shaxi driver and you feel say he don't treat you well, then maybe go there for dream. Because it can't be in reality. Because them more, they know who Shatta Wale be. They know how I'm serious when I'm doing stuff. All of them are loving people. They are God-fearing people. All across every religion. Whether the driver is a Muslim, whether the driver is a Christian, all of them, like, we've told them how they need to be with the drivers. Or how they need to be with the riders. So this is something for us. And gradually, we can go with this and move to Africa. I love you guys. A thing you put do for me for my life, you don't know. I wanted to be a musician, yeah, but I didn't know that I'll become a musician and be so popular. My mind no day there. It be you people where you make I feel this way. That is why every penny that you have paid for my concerts, I did save them. I did save them. Your money's where you put it, try. Maybe if you put the camera show, Charlie, give me 50 Ghana. Oh, Charlie, Shatta Wale, they go do show for stadium. Oh, Shatta Wale, they go do show for here. Oh, Shatta Wale, they come Kumasi. Oh, Shatta Wale, they get. Oh, Shatta Wale, they come London. Shatta Wale, they come America. All those monies, I've been able to save them and build something like this for us. Like Fubu will say, for us by us. Shaxi is Ghana's pride. And in future, it's going to be Africa's pride. Because every driver deserves to be called sir. Don't be, hey driver. Hey driver. Hey, no. Drivers are also human beings. They need respect. Oh boss, oh daddy, patrol. That is how I want my drivers to feel. So if you're a driver and you are not being treated fairly elsewhere, hop on Shaxi and let's live some beautiful life. Which I'll be taking some of the drivers on trips and stuff like that. And we'll just be enjoying. When me and drivers they playing inside and we go Dubai or we go London, we go have some holiday and come and things. And I'll be, we'll still be having fun. There's music that is going to come through. We're going to be having some beautiful Shaxi shows, Submit your particulars. Hop on board. Start promoting. Shaxi is for everybody. It's all across Ghana. So anywhere you are in Ghana, just download the app. And you start working. And Upper East, Upper West, I'll be coming there for some concerts and stuff like just that, Shaxi, they chop my head small, and some few businesses, but you guys should start promoting it. Work on it from Volta Raging. I have drivers in Takrady that are already supporting like this. So yeah, don't worry. It's for us. Bro, it's for us. So download it. The app, the Shaxi app is yours. It's not mine. It's for all of us. Even though I created it. I created it for all of us. This is a big cake. Cut yours and chop yours. Thank you. I think I have somebody say, remember we did Kumasi? Yeah, Kumasi, I know. No. So when I Kumasi to here, you can download it. When are you starting? a Shaxi motor swap. It's already exists. Like, you know, then we created, you know, another phase of Shaxi, that is the Roadmasters. And that one is being handled by, you know, my wife, but it's ongoing. She has like motorbike. I think she has over like 12 motorbikes that are working for her right now. So yes, if you have a motorbike and you want to work, you know, Okada, you just download the app. You know, because the next interface we are creating, the next update that is coming, you know, we'll have all these things in place and it's going to be beautiful. So I beg, whether moto, car, jump on. It's Shaxi for all of us. Where is that thing again? Okay. Keep your questions coming. Let me just play this one too. I know people like this song.
Pretty enemy, them a bring me. Me love you and be nobody. Good name better than the money. What's sweet mouth at a belly.
Somebody's like saying,
at the back in my Bentley.
how can you buy shares in Shaxi? You know that is a whole discussion that we need to have. You know, so if you know you really want that, we have our emails. I can give you our email so you can just email me or whatever, and let's have a discussion. So let me give you our Shaxi is info at shaxigh.com. So you know, info at shaxigh.com. So anybody that wants to, you know, maybe you want to buy shares in Shaxi, you want to be part of the Shaxi, you know, family, you know, in terms of invest, in terms of just email me. You know, you can email info at shaxi.com, shaxigh.com. Then we can have, you know, a proper conversation on that. You know, I think let me just, if you don't have that to you can go to support at shaxigh, you know, .com, you know, and just get that thing. So yes, so if you're an investor and you want to message me, you know, you want to email and talk about it, you want to buy shares from Shaxi, you want to be part of the family, you can go to info at shaxigh.com. You know, if you have investors that you want to introduce to me, you can let them email me at info at shaxigh.com, and we can have a vibe. You know, just, you know, let me see your heading in the mail, you know, as an investor, you know, and I'll attend to you quickly. I might call you personally myself. We have conversations, you know, and just make money, you know, for ourselves. You get me? Yeah. Yeah. I'm reading a message here. Somebody say, permission to tap into your blessings. Permission granted, my dear. You are blessed in Jesus' name. God bless you. May Allah bless you. May Allah give you everything you want. May Allah touch you. Anything you touch turn to gold. May Allah make your dreams come true. May Allah make you believe in your directions and make no man confuse you. You understand me? Yes. Thank you so much. Oh, man. You know. Oh, okay. Somebody also says, how can I, you know, invest? That's what I'm saying. If you want to invest, just email me. You know, this is no music business. So I beg, when you're emailing, just know about it. Just email me and, you know, let's talk business. Info at shaxigh.com. Info at shaxigh.com. You know, I know most of you would want to put, you know, your money at the right place, but sometimes it's difficult in Africa like that. But with this, at least your support is also very, very needed here, because I've been doing this thing myself for 4 to 5 years now, and it's crazy. I know you guys are always online. You see some campaigns, you know, a whole lot of things I've been doing, and personally, that's for my own pocket. You get what I'm saying? Like, I don't have any investor on board. I don't have anybody that is, financing this whole Shaxi thing. It's me and my team, But, as a CEO, I'm the one that is funding all these things. You understand me? So, yes, I'll be glad if I get people on board, that want to, invest, because it's not only about the cars, it's also about maintaining the app. And that is what I've been able to do for 4 years now. If I tell you the figure that I've been able to put around, maintaining the app, I know you say, wow! Yeah, so I like, you see the comedy, and the comedy is on this side. The comedy is at this side, and the business is at this side. So when they crash like this, it's not easy at all. I love you guys, man. I love you, man. Yeah. Do you have cars for drivers? Yes, that's what I'm saying. We have cars that I give out already. Like, we've given out a lot of cars, but recently, when we went to, the meeting with the YEA boss, he said they were going to make provision for us. So after, they give us those cars, I believe most of you are going to be smiling, and, he also said that they're going to make available 500, Ghana City fuel coupons for most of the drivers. So yes, it's about to, be beautiful. So if you're a driver and you don't have a car, don't stress yourself. All I want to tell you is that when you get a car, be serious with it, because me and my drivers, most of the times, when they have the cars, I tell them that they should own it like their own, because those cars, I'm not driving them, but I want to really give them those cars so they can make money and also do their work and pay. Most of the drivers in my office are doing work and pay, and they've been so good with it. Like, they are always making sure they are paying. Shout out to my head drivers union for Shaxi, Mr. Misa. Mr. Misa is a hard-working gentleman, and so any of you two that know Mr. Misa and you want to get your particulars brought to the office, or you want to get a car, just make sure you contact Mr. Misa too, and he's gonna really get you on board. He's tried for a whole lot of drivers, and I thank him for that. Yeah. Okay. The messages there. Okay, someone say God bless you. God bless you too. The way the message they pop up, might save the court. So somebody says, what's the difference between the Shaxi Rider app and the Shaxi Driver app? So the Rider app is for riders, people who order for the cars, and the Driver app is for the drivers. The Rider app is white, just like mine. Shaxi white cup, like this is white. But the Rider, so let me show you. This is how it looks like. So the Rider, when you go to the app stores, you're gonna see it right there. But this is how it looks like, So that's the driver. The driver's one is the blue one, and the rider's one is the white one. So that's how it is. Thank you. See, let me see. Oh, so, the message, the way they run, I don't know. Why are you making a message run like that? Someone say, I'm happy to meet you. Thank you very much. I love you. I love you guys. That's why I'm here. Yeah. Somebody say, I better come to Technical Institute. I'll come. Don't worry. I have a plan of visiting most of you, in your schools, and talk to you guys about certain things. So you guys are gonna really see me in your schools very soon. Don't worry at all. I know most of you love me so much because I'm half caste. I'm like because I'm jovial to sometimes. But I think people seem like I'm very jovial. Like very. It's beautiful. It's good too, when I'm jovial like that. Sometimes you have to be happy, bro. You can't always be serious. When are you opening Shaxi mechanic shop? That's a good question, So what we are doing right now is that, Shaxi partnering with the government is a huge project for us, so that's why we are on talking terms, with, the government to really give us a space, because where I have right now is my house, I think you can park about roughly maybe some 20 cars, around, but that is not big enough, so gradually when you guys keep supporting and we grow up, we're going to have a whole space for that, and mechanics are also going to, get jobs to do, the whole idea of the Shaxi app is to create employment, because the unemployment rate in Africa is crazy. You know what I mean? Is much. And I know every African country is trying to solve that problem, but it's not working. Not that it's not working, it's working, but the people also need something that we need to pay attention to. So as a youth, I believe that what I brought up is going to save a whole lot of people, from being just home and not doing anything. So we have plans, of getting, people on board. It's not only going to be, with mechanics, we're going to have a whole, lab, or, full of, intelligent, bright people, So anybody that is into the tech business too, if you're schooling on that, just, learn hard, make your things properly. Just make sure you are getting your qualifications right, because you might not know. You might be a regional manager years to come in Shaxi, and that is a big deal. You get me? So, yes. Somebody say we are waiting for the car because we are tired for other apps. Yeah, just thank God that, they also came. They came to support, but this is for you. This app is for you. So you should know this is the time for you to also take advantage of this and make, money out of this. Someone say, Father, drivers who are coming with their cars pay the same amount with those using your cars. It's a subscription. You understand me? So everybody, you subscribe to 20 Ghana City, you make your money. You get me? So it's not like, because when you're bringing your car, it's an advantage to you. Because one, you don't pay Shaxi anything. The ones that are using the company cars are the ones that are doing work and pay. But you bringing your car is an advantage. All you do is put 20 city on the app and make your money. So Shaxi is not going to take anything from you. If you have your car, it's even a big advantage for you that you are just working on the app, just paying 20 Ghana city and using the app and making your money and go your way. So it's not about, you even have the bigger advantage if you have your car. You know what I'm saying? Because those that Shaxi has given cars to are people that are doing work and pay. So imagine the little stress around it, but they are making money for themselves because all the money they make on their trips is for them. You understand what I'm saying? But people that you own your own cars, why not? You bring your car in, you put your 20 Ghana city on the app, you work. All the money you make, you don't have to pay any commission to anybody. You can keep your money. You get me? Recently, somebody was telling me about, we even reducing, the commissions that the foreign apps are charging, then we make our own the lowest. And I said, yes, we are on it. Because every time we are updating our apps, so we are really on it to make sure, at least if we can even have another segment of that too, it's going to work. You get what I'm saying? So we have, on the platform or at our back ends where we've created, a commission site that we've not uploaded yet because, those things come with, huge tasks. That's why I was speaking about investments. Like if we get investors on board, we can shape those things out and bring them up. It's going to be a beautiful journey, my people. So don't worry about it. But if you have your own car, it's an advantage. You can use Shaxi as your daily susu and see how the miracle is going to be. Every day you can make, at least if you choose to work for your 12 hours or maybe you choose to work for 6 hours. And one beautiful thing about it is that when you even load your 20 Ghana CD on the app, it doesn't expire within your 12 hours. Like after 12 hours, then your 20 Ghana CD is, it takes 7 days to expire. So you see the beautiful thing. So it's not that you are paying 20 Ghana cedi and if you don't use the 20 Ghana cedi, your money will finish. So that day you have to work. No. You don't have to. I don't want my drivers to stress. You guys are stressing too much. Like when you wake up, you have to work because if you don't work, maybe they see some of you, the foreign apps, then they will catch you because they see that you are not using. No. This one, the app is your own. That is why we have online on offline. You can just put it offline. Nobody from Shaxi office will call you that. Why are you off? When you are tired, you are tired. When you want to work, you work. I get what I'm saying. But it depends on how you want to make money. So yeah, somebody can choose to say, let me work today 12 hours. I'll work hard. Tomorrow I'll work like 3 hours. That is beautiful. This app is not going to stress you. That's when you're sleeping, you think that, hey, if I don't work like the foreign apps, you think that, hey, if I don't work or if I do this, maybe they'll cut me out or so make I get. No, it's not like that. This one, you own the app as a driver. When you put your 20 Ghana cedi on it, it takes 7 days to expire when you don't use it. And when you are using it, imagine you can use it today, maybe 2 hours. Tomorrow, if you have your own car and you feel like, okay, Charlie, I close from work, make I download the app and just, maybe for my place too, they work for Sprinters and they come La Paz. Make I say I go figure some trip for there and you put them on. You work 2 hours, maybe you can't catch us now, you drop the person or you go your house. The next morning, maybe if they go work, you can use the same format. You can use that for one week. Because the moment you load your 20 Ghana cedi, you get 720 minutes on your app that you can use. So just imagine the freedom around this. It's beautiful. My brothers and sisters, tell everybody to be on the app. You get me? Let me just get more questions and yeah, somebody said Tamale gonna be fire. Tamale is gonna be fire, man. Tamale, man. I know you guys miss me. It's a long time I went to Tamale. Yeah. Somebody say, Father, today I got a ride, but later changed from 3 minutes to 15 minutes. Yeah, sometimes, it's a network too, and where we are located, but it's those ones, the one who give blame to network, and it's not anything that is a problem, Sometimes it comes back to, you might see 3 minutes, and it might go 15 minutes, but later it comes back to, so you don't have a problem. Yeah, present to each other. Another person to our parts. Yes, that's why I said. Somebody to say, please, can we invest in Shaxi? Yes, that's why I've said, that if you want to talk to me about investments, just email me info@shaxigh.com. info@shaxigh.com. If you're not reaching me, you can get to my office at support@shaxigh.com. support@shaxigh.com. But if you want to email me personally, you can go to info@shaxigh.com and message me there. Please, that's not a music platform. If I want to give my music email, I will give you. So please, it's only for business men only. I think I've been able to educate you guys more, on Shaxi. Yes, and I'm seeing, hey, then to the investors there, wow. Dubai, which Dubai investor to? Okay. Anybody that really wants to be part, of Shaxi, as in an investor, please kindly email me, info@shaxigh.com. info@shaxigh.com. And let's talk. You understand me? You understand? Just send me a proposal and let's have a vibe and see how we can push Shaxi. I think I'd love to, have people on board now. So anybody, you want to be a shareholder, you want to, be part of the movement, supporting a particular area. Maybe you want to be, the person in charge of the app developer. So you are putting money at anywhere you want to do. Just let's have a talk. So send me emails and, let's really vibe on that, man. Share this message to anybody that is a business person that really wants to, get, on a field like this. And it's a good initiative for all of us, man. I thank you guys all for really taking time to listen to me. I thank you guys all for really supporting Shaxi. Boobe, I'm on TikTok. Let me finish, okay? Okay, I don't have a problem, please. I love you, bye. So let's all, support Shaxi. Let's invest Shaxi. Let's grow Shaxi. And let's build this up. People miss tomorrow. Maybe I'll come alive and let you guys laugh small. I know people miss my comic side. You understand me? Yeah, anyway, I just come and tell you some jokes. I have some new jokes. You people will like it. Very, very well. You people will like it. Right? As for right now, I have a beef. I have a tech beef. A proper corporate beef. This beef, they know they shout. One shout. Yeah, so please, I beg you. When I finish with the tech beef, because right now, Shaxi is competing with this thing. You know what I mean? So, we won't make Shaxi be number one for Ghana. So, right now, the beef is strong. The beef is Ghana and the world. This beef is not me alone. Shatta movement is Ghana. So, I beg, let's come together. Huh? One shout, this side, money is one did. What asa? How do you say what asa? I mean, so I'll come alive. Don't worry. I'll just come and play some nice songs for you so we can party, man. God bless you guys. God bless you so much. Okay, God bless you for supporting Shaxi, and don't stop ordering Shaxi. Keep ordering Shaxi for me. I beg you. Love you guys all. Bye.